Hey guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Today I'm going to be showing you another interesting video. I'll be showing you how to make moringa tea. This tea is very beneficial for your health. It's good for weight loss, it boosts the immune system, and it keeps you refreshed and warm. This is my moringa leaf which I'm going to be using. I'm using the dried moringa leaves. You can also use fresh moringa leaves to make this tea, but today I'm going to be working with the dried leaves. Okay, I've shown how to dry moringa leaves and turn it into moringa powder, so you can check that video out. The link is going to appear right now on your screen. Now, to make your moringa tea, you're going to place a pot of water on it. I'm just adding in a cup of water to the pot. Then I'm going to place the lid over the pot and allow the water to heat up. While my water is on heat, I'm going to peel my ginger, then grate it and place in the pot. Next, I'll go ahead and grate the ginger. After grating the ginger, I'm going to bring it into the pot of water that I placed on it. And I'm going to allow this to boil for at least 10 minutes before I add in other ingredients. This has been boiling for 7 minutes, so I'm going to go in with my moringa leaves. I'm going to allow this to boil for the remaining 3 minutes before I take it off from heat. Three minutes later, I'm going to turn off heat and bring the moringa tea off from heat. Next, I'm going to strain my moringa tea into a teacup. Next, I'm going to squeeze in 1 lemon juice into the tea. Once I'm done, I'm just going to quickly discard this. So guys, this is a very good immune booster. It contains no caffeine and it is also very effective in weight loss, especially when combined with ginger and lemon. You can add in sweetener if you choose to. So guys, I'm just going to enjoy my moringa tea the way it is. It's really refreshing and I would love you to try this and let me know your suggestion in the comment section below. So guys, this was how to prepare moringa tea at home. It's a refreshing drink and it's very effective for your immune system. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.